Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Raju Bagge and today I am going to talk about what is the best career after 12th science. So let's have a look. My dear friend, food technology is one of the emerging career field for the science student. As we know, our day starts and ends with the consumption of the food. Food is the basic part of human need and food technology is one of the branch which are continuously working to satisfy our need. Also, the population of India is increasing with growth rate 1.19% and it will touch the 1.53 billion at the end of 2030. Therefore, indirectly, food processing industry is growing exponentially. According to Plant and Food Research, the global food and beverage industry is growing at around 5% a year. The government of the India has been instrumental in the growth and development of the food processing industry. The food processing industry is widely recognized as a sunrising industry in India, which is having a huge potential for uplifting agriculture economy, for creation of the food chain facilities, for creation of the large scale food processing plants. Hence, it is a good option as a career in India as well as in abroad. So you can definitely go ahead with the food technology from a good government as well as from a good private college. Do you have any question? Yes. The first question that arises in your mind will be, what is meant by food technology? Food technology is the branch of science which deals with the techniques which are involved in the production, processing, preservation, packaging, quality management and distribution of the food products. Food technology also involves the processes and techniques that are used to transform the raw materials into the food product. The second question that arises in your mind will be, what are the subjects are included in the food technology? The syllabus of any food technology course have designed such that it covers in-depth knowledge of principle of food preservation, food chemistry, food microbiology, human nutrition, heat transfer, fluid mechanics, food process engineering, dairy technology, packaging technology, food biotechnology, biochemical engineering, cereal and bakery processing technology, meat, poultry and fish processing technology, design and development of the new product, quality management and waste management in the food industry, etc. After the completion of the bachelor degree program, the candidate can be recognized as a food technologist. The next question that arises in your mind will be, what does the food technologist do? Food technologists research and develop new food process products. They may improve the quality of existing products. They can also improve or develop processing, packaging, storage and safety of a food in line with government and industry standards. The next question that arises in your mind will be, where can food technologists work? There are plenty of job opportunities out there after the completion of the bachelor's in a food technology. Food technologists can work in government sector as well as they can work in the private industries too. Food technologists can work in one of the following industry: dairy industry, fruits and vegetable processing industry, cereal and grain processing industry, sugar industry, chocolate industry, confectionery industry, bakery industry, fisheries, meat and poultry processing industry, etc. When working with the food industry, there are literally thousands of different jobs available. You are not limited to the lab work or in a desk job. There is something for everyone, whether it be in quality, R&D, sales, marketing, manufacturing, in teaching and in government too. The food technology is inherently multidisciplinary, which opens up countless opportunities. Also, the food technologists can start their own food processing industries. I have seen numerous food tech startups launching with the planning and excitement. Candidates who have completed graduation in a food technology are eligible to apply for food safety officer exam. Food Corporation of India exam and NABARD exam too. If you love food, then you will definitely enjoy working in this industry. Whether you are creating new exciting products, testing food products for quality, or doing research, you will be exposed to a plethora of amazing food. The food industry is one of the largest on the planet, and the people will always have to eat. This means if you are working anywhere along with the food supply chain, you will always have a job. Dear friend, I have completed my Bachelor of Technology and Master of Technology in Food Technology from the Department of Technology, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Currently, I am pursuing PhD in Food Engineering and Technology in the same college. If you require any further information, then feel free to contact me through comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.